So if you heard about this new tool that's allowing artists to fight back against generative AI by poisoning training data, you might be wondering, what's data poisoning? Data poisoning is a type of attack against machine learning systems that occurs during the training phase. It's when training data is falsified on a massive scale. One commonly cited example of a machine learning poisoning attack was when automated bots marked millions of spam emails as not spam within Gmail. Things like spam filters continuously train on new data inputs, so the idea was that this data would be corrupted and the spam filter would stop working properly. And another type of adversarial attack on machine learning stems from the fact that very small changes can change how an AI system perceives an object. So for example, researchers have shown that really small alterations to a stop sign can make it be perceived by a computer vision system, for example, the kind of thing in a self-driving car, as a yield sign or a speed limit sign instead. So the way that this new system works is that it subtly manipulates the pixels in an image in ways that are invisible to the human eye, but tricks the machine learning model into interpreting the image as something different than what it actually is. So instead of a dog, you get a cat. So the idea is that if these generative AI systems are indiscriminately scraping data from the internet, and the internet is flooded with these poisoned images, and eventually it will impact the models. So if artists don't want their actual art showing up in these models, then they could use the system to poison them before putting them on the internet. Of course, data poisoning is not typically a pro-social kind of thing, and you can imagine how a system like this could have really malicious uses as well.